This is how you make your online signature or digital signature here in Microsoft Word. Let's go! So first is you need to take a photo of your signature in any kind of paper and then insert the image. Alright, so I have a picture here of my signature. Let's open it. I have 3 signature. I need 1. So what I need to do is to crop this one. Alright, crop that one and then hit the enter. Alright, click this image and then go to picture, and you can use the remove background color, but sadly it didn't work on my end. What I did is I used the color and then transparent color. Boom, we're done. That's how easy to make your digital signature here in Microsoft Word. And then we can resize this one. Alright, and we're done.